Hello everyone, I am Akash Awade and today date is 22 February 2022 and today topic is methods in a string. So first discuss string. String is one of the non-primitive data type. In a string we can store multiple data which have not a fixed length, In a string many methods are predefined methods. Many methods are predefined means we have not use own methods because of the predefined methods. In methods there are two types: user defined methods and predefined methods. Predefined methods means the methods which are defined in Java, that is a predefined means when you run the code at the back end, in the background many methods are running. These are the predefined methods. And user defined methods means the methods which are created by you. These methods are called methods. Method is a collection of a code which performs the operations or actions to provide different outputs. Using methods, the advantage of method is code reusability. One means once you define a method, then you can use it multiple times. Code means you have not to write code again and again once declare a method. So let's start with the predefined methods in a strings. In a string, there are multiple methods are predefined. That is a equals, is blank, is empty, compare to, compare ignorance, lowercase, uppercase, intern, equals, uh, starts with, ends with. All are the methods which are predefined methods. Each method have some specific operations performed. So let's start with the equals. Equal method is used to compare two strings. Means suppose I have a string s1. In s1 store the abc. Then in s2 store abcd. Then using equals to method, that is s1 dot equals method, which checks the comparison. Equal method checks the contents in the strings, and equal to equal operator that can be checked the reference. There are difference between equal to operator and equal to method. Next is the compare to. Compare to method is used for, suppose we have two string. In this string the difference means what is the difference? That difference depends on ASCII value. If first string is bigger than the second, then output comes in positive. If first string is smaller than second, then output is a negative. And it returns the compare to method is return type is a boolean, means it can be answer is given in a true and false. Next is a compare with ignorance. Comparing with ignorance means in this method it ignores the characters. Means suppose in a compare to method it gives a small a and capital A. Then difference measure between small and capital A. Suppose small a character ASCII value is 97 and capital A is a 65. Then difference is 32. But in case of compare with ignorance, the difference is not calculated. It will be ignores the uppercase or lowercase. Means it can be difference in 0 or -1. Means if string is equal, then it gives a 0. If string is not equal, it gives a -1. Means that is a boolean value. Next is a uppercase. Means in uppercase, using the method, you cannot write any code to give the lowercase character to the uppercase character. Also lowercase method. In the your string, the string contains the capital words, and you have to convert these words in a lowercase. Then you can use s1 dot to lowercase method. Means to lowercase method, it can be convert the entire string into the lowercase. Next is the index starts with. Starts with means in a start with string the return type is a boolean. Means it can be return value in a true or false. True or false. It can be start with, suppose I have a string s1 and s2. In s1 I have a string with the abc and s2 abc. Then it can be give the true operation because s2 starts with the s1. That is, s2 contains the contents of a s1. It checks in start of index. Next is the end with. In ends with, it can be checks from the right hand side, that is the last position. Then if suppose string s1, in s1 a b c d, and in s2 this is always also contains is b c d, then it can be ends with dcb format. Next is the next method is the next method is the equals. Next is the blank method. In a blank is empty blank means, in a is empty blank it doesn't count the white spaces. White spaces white spaces means, in a string you have a specify space, then it will be doesn't count in a blank method. In a empty method it will be count the white spaces means, we have to check the string is empty or not. In a string is a space, then it will be count in a empty methods, and in a blank method it will be not count. That's all about the predefined methods in a string. Thank you.